Good afternoon everyone. Today we will learn how to basic coloring. First we will choose the lightest color and then making the borderline around the hair and then the eyes. And don't forget to color it with one-way movement so the pattern of the hair will be nice and clean. And the next is, I will choose the darker one to color the upper eyes and then the back of the hair. And don't forget the borderline too. And then I will choose the darkest one to draw the pupils and then the back of the hair. And then the next is, this is the hack. And I will choose the cream color and just coloring the darkest part of your skin to make the illusion that you color the whole part of your skin. And the next is the hairstyle. First, it is straight, wavy, spiral, and then the braids. And for the braids, you just need to draw O and Y, and then you draw it repeatedly. Let's draw the sample. First, I will draw the wavy one, because the straight one is easy and, well, most common. And then the next one is spiral. For the first time, you will find it really hard, but if you keep drawing it, you will eventually be able to draw it. And the next is braids, and don't forget O and Y repeatedly. And don't forget to submit your drawing, okay?